Ever wonder why some people sound like a chainsaw when they sleep? Snoring happens when air struggles to get through your airway during sleep, making nearby tissues vibrate. It's usually because your throat muscles relax, or there's extra tissue blocking the way. The main troublemakers? The soft palate, uvula, and throat muscles. Even a stuffy nose or nasal issues like polyps or a deviated septum can mess with airflow. Sometimes snoring is your body's way of waving a red flag. So why do we snore? Because air can't move freely, and your body makes noise trying to breathe. And also like and subscribe for more videos like this.